Brother, I would love to be happy in this video, but unfortunately I'm not, because I'm a bit disappointed in all the mans. I've been in Ibiza for the last couple of days, man. And you know, I was walking by the beach, I was walking by the pool, I was walking on the streets and exploring around, observing. I'm by myself. So I had time to really observing the people. And I swear to you, I could barely see a man over 30 which is in a good shape. Not bodybuilder shape, not six-pack, visible like crazy and see, look, that guy, he's fucking working out his life, he dedicates his life to fitness. But a man in a good shape, which showed that he respects himself. I couldn't see, brother. And I mean Ibiza, where most men should look amazing, which most men should look like they actually work on themselves, you know. But guess what? I've seen men over 30 and even younger on 30 degrees weather with a t-shirt on them. Can you imagine that? A man over 30 with a t-shirt on them by the beach side on 30 degrees weather. I cannot comprehend this idea. I cannot understand it, man. Where is your self-respect? Where the confidence is coming from, if not from the things which you are doing, which you know it's actually beneficial for your body, for your mind, and for the people you love. And most of the people, they hide themselves in that oversized t-shirts. They hide themselves, they hide the insecurities. And definitely, yes, you can be a confident man, even without being in a good shape. Definitely you can do that. But what is the fucking point? Where is the point? And I'm not asking like men to be, I'm telling you, bodybuilder, stage final boss body shape. I'm not asking that, but to be in a decent shape. To be in a decent shape because you are a father, or maybe you're gonna be a father. And what, do you want like that kids to be the same as you? Do you want your kids to have the same habits and vices and thoughts which you have right now? I bet you don't want that. I'm staying in this hotel right now, and it's plenty of families with kids, fathers, and them fathers the same, brother. The same. They are fat, they're overweight. They're having beers after beers outside on the terrace with the kids by themselves. And what do you think that kid will think about his father? Maybe he doesn't realize right now, but by seeing him doing all these things daily, he's gonna implement in his life later on. That's 100% certain. And the fact that only 1% of men have visible abs, it's true. Unfortunately, it's true. Because all these guys which you see online, the algorithm, it's pushing through your display 1,000 guys from 100,000 people, they pushing you that men which they are in a good shape, and you think now that this is a standard for a man, and it's so unachievable, but it's not true. It's not true. It's not a standard to have visible abs. It is not, because it's hard. I'm in a vacation right now. I'm still working 50 hours a week, but I can maintain a really good body shape. I can maintain a physique which I'm proud of, and I can maintain all the good habits I have implemented in my life, so I can actually sustain that. And this is what I ask, and what I was so disappointed, man, because it's my first time in Ibiza. And I thought to myself that everybody is in such a good shape here when I will come, and probably I will look average close to them. But I was like surprised, man, even in the gyms here. I was surprised by the fact that not many people have visible abs. Not many people, they are in a good shape and say that, look at that man. Look at him. He works so hard. This guy is a machine. Definitely there are some men who they respect themselves here. But I didn't see many. I didn't see many as much as I've seen on internet and as much as you see. And these guys who they are covering themselves with oversized t-shirts, I'm telling you, man, they're insecure about, not that they don't have six-pack, not that they are lean. No, it's not this the reason. They are covering because they are insecure inside themselves, because every single time they cancel the plans, they know they have to change. They say they will start on Monday, they say they will start next month, next year, or after this holiday. I really want to do, man, some changes in my life. I really want to quit alcohol. I really want to eat proper whole food. And man, listen to me, because this video wasn't about necessary for abs or getting the leanest person which you've ever been. It's not about that. It's not about that. It's about actually trusting yourself again. Because trust me, nobody cares that much about the fact that you have six-pack, about the fact that you are lean. Nobody gives a fuck. Trust me, nobody cares. But you will have to care. Because you gonna trust yourself again. Your confidence gonna fucking skyrocket, brother. Your confidence is gonna skyrocket on the way you lead other people, on the way you show up, on the way, on how you walk day by day, on the tasks which you have, on the goals which you propose for yourself to do. Because you know you keep your words to yourself, because you know you do what you're supposed to do to get there. Because it's not about having, it's about the process itself. It's about trusting the process, trusting that you're gonna get there. But by doing every single step necessary to get there, that's the real game. That's the real game for you, so you can grow your confidence. There the confidence is gonna show up. Not when you're gonna get here. No, not when you're gonna get the six-pack, but on the process, knowing that you respect the rules of getting there, of becoming that person. There is the real magic where it's happening. So maybe you should stop relying on motivation. Maybe you should stop relying on motivation. Maybe you should stop relying on that moments when you feel good and you want to take action. Maybe you should stop that and take small changes, eliminate what is unnecessary for you and what keeps you stuck in this loop, brother. And what keeps you stuck in this loop, because I was in that loop for years, full of vices. I had so many vices, man, you can name it, smoking, drinking, gambling, I had all of them. I was struggling with the food every single night. I was binge eating because I was in stress. I was young, working a lot of hours at my job, and I was binge eating as well. Now I have to go to eat something. So if you have any questions, I'm more than glad to answer to you, man. Leave any comment down below and I will answer to you, I promise. See you in the next one, man. Peace.